Uncle Barry, there is like massive amounts of birds that are flying this way again. It's just unreal how many birds there are. Like if you go way far, even way over here. It's so bizarre. I wish you could see. I wish you could see what I'm seeing right now. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of birds are flying this way. I mean, they're all in a line. Where are they going now? Hold on. I gotta follow them. I gotta send this to my sister. She's gonna trip. I'm gonna send this to my sister. She's gonna trip out. I mean, I can stand here forever. They're still coming.